This video will be showing you how to remove all the unnecessary data left behind when you uninstall a program. This is done by using the free software Revo Uninstaller. Download the free version of Revo Uninstaller from their website. The link will be in the description. Once the download is done, open the file to begin the installation. Follow the prompts until you have successfully installed the program. Launch Revo Uninstaller. Your programs will load in a list. Select the program you want to uninstall by double-clicking on it or right-clicking and selecting Uninstall. Confirm that you want to uninstall the program. You can now choose to scan your computer using one of three options. It is recommended to use safe or moderate unless you're experienced with computers. Select the registries that you want to delete or select all, then choose Delete. Select the files and folders to remove. Delete, then Finish. Your program will now be completely uninstalled. If you want to clean out other files left behind from previous files, you can use CCleaner or the Windows Temporary File Cleaner. Links to videos you may find helpful are in the description below. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please be sure to drop a like and comment. Also, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech videos. It really helps support the channel.